Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my kitchen. So it's the afternoon. I got out of work just a few minutes early and I wanted to share with you something exciting. So when I got home and I checked the mail, I had a package from Jordan Essentials, and I'm pretty sure that this is the new let's see, this would be December's host gift, which I earned for free because they have a program right now for any of the consultants that if you close 4 parties in 1 month, then you earn the host special for free for the month 2 months out. So like this would have been one that I earned in October. Gosh, I really have to think here. So I had to earn it by the end of October. I did. So then I think on the 7th of November, I got my email with my coupon code, and then they ship it out. So now it's November 13th, and I'm wearing my cardigan because it's National, I don't remember the official title. It's like Mr. Rogers Neighborhood Day or something. So it's celebrating, or maybe it's National Cardigan Day to celebrate Mr. Rogers. So National Kindness Day, something like that. Anyway, I loved it, so I threw my cardigan on. But let's take a look. I started to cut and I thought I had it open, and then I realized it was stuck. So I have not seen what's in this. I know that I ordered a couple of things for some Christmas things going on. So I have some of the holiday catalogs. That's my receipt. Some of the mini catalogs. Okay. Ooh, I feel something small. Okay, so this is a pack of the 5 mint mini lip tubes, which I love. These are kind of similar to a Burt's Bees because ours are beeswax as well and has a little mint in it. So this is my favorite lip balm. I keep one everywhere. One in the kitchen, one at my bedside and my nightstand, one in my purse, one in my car, one at my desk. They're just a handy little thing to have. They work great. They're good on your cuticles too. So I think this must be the October. This is the December host special. Not a very big bag, so I wonder what we have in here. I'm excited to see. Ooh, interesting. All right, so there's a mini resistance spray. So this is our essential oil blend. Clove, cinnamon, lemon, rosemary, and eucalyptus. So the resistance blend is great for getting bad germs out, out of your vicinity if you spray it around yourself. So that's nice, a little mini size on that. Looks like there's another one. So lavender mini spray. So again, it's the essential oil spray, a little bit of witch hazel. That way, that's another fun little travel treat. And this is what is interesting. So looks like these are jade. I'm not sure what exactly all the beads are. There's 2 of them, 2 little bracelets. So it looks like maybe jade. I'm not sure if these are quartz, and then these black ones almost look like they might be, I don't know if you can see, they have like some texture to them, maybe that they are volcanic or something. I don't know. I'll be interested to find out more. And this one has 2, I'm challenged now. I can't think of my stones. This metallic black one, I know that's a good grounding stone, but I can't think of it. So that's kind of different. I don't think we've had jewelry as a host gift very often. So pretty exciting. So there you go. That is December's host special, I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check. Yeah, that's the December host special earned from the October Close 4 Club. And I don't know the price of what that's going to be, but I will tell you the essential oil mini sprays. You can get these right now in our holiday catalog, and they're $5 each. I have no idea what the value on these is, so I'll have to do some research on that. But what a fun little gift. And I know with the host specials, if you have $500 party, so if you have enough guests purchase things that the sales equal 500, then you get the host special for free. So isn't that a fun thing to learn for free, or to earn for free? I'm looking for the host information. There it is. Yes, so $500 party and above, you earn the host special for free. If it's under $500 party down to a $200 party, then usually it's a discounted price on whatever this kit is. So there you go. That's your December host special. So pretty exciting. Thanks for joining me. I'm looking forward to the holidays and wearing that festive set of bracelets. I always like things like that, and having my sprays to travel with me, either for some lavender relaxation or if we're headed out to a party, resistance, just to keep the germs away. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can see all the upcoming videos and catch things like this when I release them, so you'll be the first to find out. And of course I do all kinds of other videos, organizing, cleaning, fly lady, my bullet journal, lots of other fun stuff. So have a great day. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.